Presenting the 2009 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Let the outside in with a power convertible roof. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, a DVD system, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: a backup camera, front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control. Call today to schedule a test drive.